Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We back with another one, Mapagania. We back with the bag, Mapagania. Peter Machimbo's studio, straight from a 3-0 win, Mapagania. We just beat Amazulu here in Machimbo's to analyze the game of it. So it's been a while, Mapagania. Please, before you do anything, Mapagania, hit that subscribe button, Mapagania. Let's help the channel to grow, Mapagania. That subscribe helps us to keep the lights on, Mapagania. If there are no subscriptions, Mapagania, the channel is as good as dead, Mr. Mlambo. So please help us out, Mapagania. Hit that subscribe button. It's free, Mapagania. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to put your bank details down, Mr. Mlambo.
Sure.
You just tap there for you subscribed. Izosiza kanjani? Every time we upload a new content, Mapagania, it will be recommended on your homepage. Mr. Mlambo, bonge kontangi kimi nizolo, liphethe kanjani Pagania?
Lingiphethe kahle mengingekho ngokwenyama. But ngokomoya ngihlale nginepagania mfethu. This team is the very most scoring team, you understand? As much as like things are not going well for us, we can't run away from that in terms of Sundowns ila and in our 2 games on hand.
In hand, yeah.
But we're still number 1 and we're still a team which is scoring goals, which is beautiful. Ndanga igol laga Kokomelon, igol laga Mbutsuma, igol laga Apolis. In fact, we playing UEFA Champions League. There is no other team who's scoring like Pirates, in fact. And like those things you see, which is into like engathi sisiresa grounding, which is great. Ndanga lingiphethe kanjani Pagani?
Phethe kamnandi ne.
Yeah.
Ufile kanjani ndanga ulibuyele eboxini because obviously maseskodini every time seskodini you know ukuthi siyakhuphuka yabona was not strange ukuyibheka like eboxini
Yo ndanga it was strange because I was working actually njengoba ngishilo so mengingalibukela kamnandi mfethu sometimes mangiyenzakala something ngisho ukuthi silale siflomere ngithola ngilibona kanje it's a different atmosphere because malibukela endlini or like a TV you can't see those details la hlale siwabona yeah that's
as well.
Uyaqala ubeekeep ukuthi makasuke stadium uyibheka kahle game le yakhona ukubona ama game endlini because makase arena akawaboni
because angithi yena uyazi baploma vabo ubeekeep so thina masida the only focus is to watch the game and I think mase arena we see it
I don't think it's genuine when he says it. I think it's just if beekeeper bela if it waona mtu obona game more clearer than beekeeper stadium. Those guys that sits there, mdamudi there advertisement boards. There's no way if it on a distraction on the next. Literally into corner down. I'm a photographer. So I don't know it. I think beekeeper to enjoy challenge. I don't think that would be good. Umnathi Ghost.
Hayi zonke izinto mfethu amapagania ajabulile top of the lock.
Top of the table, top of the tree. Awanye wathi elephant on the tree. Awanye wathi isihleli isihleli.
Mfethu sihleli mfethu.
Time will tell.
Game in hand is not points in the hand. Thank you bahlala basitshela kanjani. Yeah.
Lesiminyeni madoda.
Yeah, bathathi advice yabo manje.
Mara umuntu ile PhD yare. I said game in hand. Now you are proving that it's not only game in hand, it's points in hand.
Yeah.
Can only be Pirates if there's no other one. And obviously we did post-match interviews straight after the game. Ghost. Mr. Mlambo wasn't there. Maybe let's start with you. Because you're the one behind the production of everything. Yeah. How were the post-match interviews and which one was your favorite?
Mfana yo quality interviews mfana top-notch analysis from Mapagania. Yeah, a lot of standouts in Facebook, but I think shout out for me goes out to Chairman. I wish I'm daddy, but slowly we unpack a grand in Tanga. So I really like these analysis, and I think Namanya Mapagania always showed up, and Monga Mamela, it's all quality analysis.
Yeah. In fact, then we spoke about this off camera, cause that guy, in fact, like that guy, he commands attention. In fact, chairman, in fact, cause now obviously, mom shaya akonu uza wanyawan batin, but cause you could be you could hear other people saying, "What if the chairman is talking? I wanna understand." So and then now I'm to like mom interview, you can sense would say. There's a discipline here. Beautiful one from chairman in fact. I also like the chairman. We've been waiting for him with the chairman. When are you coming? When are you coming? He finally came through. He gave us top analysis. You understand? Go said it as well. More than anything, he analyzes the game. It's not one who's talk, about other things.
Direction.
You focus in the game, and he pagania because the moves would to me, I don't believe to the extent this I'm a play. You understand? Someone like him send him to I want to buy frustrated or office came. You understand? But that guy came in and said, "If you send down, I understand. I know what if there's a player in there. I just need to relax. I'm to release my ball. I speed so young to positive. You understand?
Yeah.
And I think we need more people like that, Coast man. Some people are optimistic. In fact, after a 3-0 win, we want to peak. Okay, we understand. Because those things, kids on that say it's perfect going forward or good or improve. I don't need to dwell on that. We can just point them in passing. Okay, we won, but let's check 1, 2, 3. That's where we can improve. But some people in fit start that Mutuma is a lucky goal. He missed 4 chances before he scored one. So those people in fit are always canning. And then some people it's their nature. You can't control how available to respond and thing. So then as well in fact, I think it was the chairman who stood out for me. As well as all other Amanyama Pagani and fit the likes of Sitole, there's a guy, Kimanki Lucas. Lucas came through as well. PhD, always give us PhD analysis. We even did the player ratings, Mapagania. Please go check out the player ratings. I mentioned Storch as well, Beekeeper as well, Beekeeper as well. Go check out the post-match interviews, beautiful one. You'll see from yourself.
It's a beautiful one.
I need for lady. You stand out.
I got a big Maranya group, but just nice
one. Overall, in fact, even those fan rounds up, those ladies who are complaining about tickets, you understand? I don't know, but it doesn't make sense.
Like I saw empty spaces.
Maybe it was maybe 65% cost. You agree at 65%?
I would say like go fats in fit to like the lower level. Full. It was full.
And then go fats is the majority. Fats is sure. And then maybe we can say you keep on at 20% because it's small spaces. No. Yes, by I want benzene. Like more of that peso because kunelanga. Abanye abantu basukile. That's why you saw empty because initially around Boma 30 minutes it came at to everyone was settled. So it was full there, it was packed. There was no empty seat. But the minute because of Ilanga, when Luta abanye abantu vele bakopuyile. So I'd say in one like 65%, in one to 70, one ton.
Yeah.
It really wasn't it wasn't that
Sold
bad,
out,
you know. It wasn't sold out, but
It wasn't bad.
it wasn't bad until the attendance wasn't bad. Because Uma player ratings are as PhD if it's about the fans.
I saw that.
He said he's giving us 5. I'm like, PhD if it to 5 if it. Yeah. You can't, chief, until you can't.
Yeah.
Well, I'm fit, you must consider, I'm fit, 60,000 capacity. It's not a child's play, in fit. So, but Chiefs, I fill up about 20,000 anymore. They said sold out. How much is the Sundown Stadium? I don't think they're anywhere near 60. You know, I think Boma 40, maybe Boma 30, and so our stadium is small. And so, you stand out, Mr. Mlambo.
I've been waiting for chairman. Yaqava mina abantu abasha when they come through to our channel. Like lento isho, you see when you interview someone on an aura and you scam analysis again.
Yeah.
Chairman. We've been waiting for him, and Sakumula first time we saw him, we were happy we were happy that he came through. Mina my stand out to chairman obviously big keeper. Namanya mapagani, amara mina ntanganya mupu PhD. You ask this guy one question. Cover my player almost on. That guy analyzes the game top level. And every time when he says, Asimang Dimang, who can say this? I loved the point that there is no other legend, ye pirate. Right ukukhuluma ngorede ngaphandle kwakhe noJomo no Dr. Khumalo. So you see those things. I love the way like ayibeka ngakhona mfethu PhD. We learn a lot and we see amanye amabhakani amthanda kakhulu. Abanye they do not want to sleep without hearing PhD. Which is nice ntanga, I understand. Which is like shukuthi uya contribute egaming lethu nakubhakani, and believe you me, they listen to him there, Scottin.
Yeah.
They listen to us, young son. I'm ngipha yena.
PhD, ne?
Ngipha yena.
PhD analysis, as always. Another person who mentioned ukuthi amabhakani like a player, ngithola they communicate kuma WhatsApp is chairman, I understand.
Sure.
I think that's why sometimes it's difficult for these guys to criticize players because they have that close relationship with the players. And you find that they have close relationships with some of the staff, the Pirates, I understand. So hopefully that doesn't like overcloud their judgment sometimes, because sometimes when things are not going right, Mr. Mlambo, you must be able to call it out if you understand. Because sometimes if you try to it ends up compromising the team. You understand that? Because those are powerful. They think people on the ground are satisfied, and you only to find out that they're not satisfied.
Yeah.
So as people who have influence like our PhD and our chairman, yes, those guys are our voices. You understand? Sure. So if you want to communicate to the higher level, they must come here, give us a honest and uncensored opinion about how they really feel. You understand? So beautiful, Ndanga. So jumping onto the game, Ndanga, we didn't get your post-match interview.
Sure.
Yeah.
I think we are Orlando Pirates this season. As much as things, I'll say it again, Mapagani. Things are not going well for us. Yes, we're optimistic. Yes, we're going to the ground, but we know abantu abasilandelayo, they are gurus of this league.
Yeah.
But even through that, Ndanga, we still come and show up. Like players, I like to commend the coach and the players this time around. Because as much as like first game, Ntanga game seswaqala kanjani, sesifaka press.
Yeah.
Nalapho ngibone in 1 minute always Bidi uzombona sekashaya cross lapha. But then you ask yourself how this team, we mean business, Ndanga, which is beautiful. You understand?
So you're saying we were on from the onset?
I think from the onset, masqala.
Yeah.
Ngibona uSbili ashaya cross. Obviously, I wasn't at the stadium, but Magesha cross, ngibe ngathi This is the Pirates which we know. When we start at the high speed, you understand? Okunye ngikubonanga first half kakhulu. But second half what I saw ndanga we were on fire mfethu. Siqale nge-2-0 mfethu. Cocomelon was there trying to get, I think he was supposed to score a hat-trick for me, excluding the penalty. Namabhola ayi-2 awatholile azama ukwachipa like avaya kancane angithola. First half I saw Muremi uthi uyatrappa ngo-right uthi uyashaya. It was going to be a beautiful goals. I saw Mbutsuma scoring a beautiful goal. I'm happy for Mbutsuma. Yes, it doesn't score, it doesn't do ezinye izinto, but Mbutsuma is also vital for us. You know, I'm forever for Ngwanasis, but I have to give Mbutsuma mfethu. Makengenile, as much as Ntanga angakoranga, I told you last post match, as much as angakoranga, you'll see his contribution. In terms of what? In terms of when we press, he's there. And now what I love about him, doesn't care. He knows now with Uzoshai Spansakela. The fans are going to talk. There's going to be a lot of noise. But even through that, he still goes on and on and on and on. I was happy to see Radio Man. I think Radio Man Tanga is a top striker for me. Akadlalanga bangamdlalisi first second half kakhulu. Makana de bola kaltholile on the side. Ushayishimi umuntu uyadlula, he's trying to score. We got a penalty from there, so you understand. I think we were dominant on that game for me, from where we are coming from, Richards Bay. For us to be on top again. I got a command. Pirates scored 14 goals in 4 games, if I'm not mistaken. Only considered 2. And they're the biggest team in Africa. Asinandaba bayayefina inibazela bona. I mean, I'm talking what I'm like playing beautiful football. Beautiful one.
But we didn't start there fast, Mr. Mlambo.
Sure.
We started very slow in that game. You could even sense the atmosphere of Pescotino with Samapagania, you know. When things are not going your way and you're trying to find out, we think like, what is the issue here? You know, you can't really, figure out what the problem is.
You know what was the issue? Where was the issue? I think now we should go post Meshako. We're starting with Makaula and Masindi. And Masindi as much out John Wick, but since I feel go Pirate, umuntu like Kotropa kakhulu. You understand? It was like we're playing with 2 number 6 and we expect Trilena Police to do things. Which is usually we have a number 8, which is a talented batter who can strike a ball anytime, anywhere. He can play those passes. I think that's what we liked when we started.
But how did they find the groove after 15? Because after 15 minutes, we started playing. You understand that? I think sometimes, Mr. Mlambo, it's just the nerves, because now it's a game where everyone is expecting us to win after what happened against Richards Bay. You understand? So we are under pressure and Mastali came, like everyone, there's a chop and change there. Ndaba came in, Makaula came in. We're still trying to, feel our opposition. You understand? So sometimes it's not about maybe technical or tactics or in. It's just, we're trying to get in the game easy. You understand? So I might be wrong, but that's what I think. That's why I think we started slow. Ghost.
I think we start like that sometimes. In fact, in a lot of games, we don't always start on the front foot. You'll be frustrated a bit and so on. Bomremi, Bo Police. Sometimes they are on second gear. I think sometimes it's tactics, maybe, or let's not press in the first 15. Let's play it in phases. The second 15 we will press. Then the third 15 we can go easy. So I see that sometimes. Or Ronaldo starts slow, and then we pick it up in the second 15.
That's a good one.
But mostly we start fast.
We start fast.
So, but you never know sometimes, you never know sometimes. Because sometimes, even riding your because they came with 5 defenders.
Exactly. I wanted to say that they were facing a low block.
Sometimes
like starting slow.
Sometimes you find a team that is very disciplined, and they did a lot of homework. Okay, maybe Paul Alliance can play. I understand, because they won't hate us.
Sure.
But Makaula and Nomtajela, really, no, it hasn't, if it to first 15 or 10 minutes, yangithola, you make sure that you man mark.
Sharp.
Wabona?
Yeah.
Apuli obvious, our next dangerous player. Moremi as well, you know, so you can not really very say.
Pinpoint,
It's
yeah,
pinpoint,
yeah.
you
It can be
understand?
what's the word? A combination of factors.
Yeah.
Yeah. But overall, in the game.
No, I think in Fitzu, the boys showed up on Fitzu. We played on a very, 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 very good pace in Fitzu. I think the boys in Fitba Pushite.
Yeah.
Everyone came through in Fitzu for me. No one like was struggling or was having a bad game. I think it was a very, very comprehensive win in Fitzu. It could have been more, but I'm happy in Fitzu. No complaints at all.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
can I mention my standouts on that game?
Yeah.
It was Ndaba and Mbule.
Yeah.
Babona abanye.
Yeah.
Ndaba bafethu Ndaba like it was good defensively, even offensively. Ngithola
Yeah.
ukusikhala lezo zinto,
Yeah.
but I think yesterday he was doing great decisions. I was happy to see him abekela uReli ibhola kamnandi kanje. Shukuthi he understood the assignment ukuthi hayi manje nangu sekayeza lana sishaya ama exercise asejimini, let him score. Yangithola izinto ezinjalo. I was happy for him. Master Chef mabethi bayampressa mfethu. Like intanga ngathi udlalisa Subway Surf mfethu. Uyayicala Subway Surf. Like intanga untouchable mfethu. Makes football simple this bad.
Yeah.
Makes football simple. Yeah, those were my standout. Ngiyababona borede, beautiful goal, take nothing away. Police always gives us this. Mara these two ntangai. For me, they were on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think, but we'll touch a bit on Ndaba, you know. I think in fact our police showed up. In fact, you know, our police in fact sometimes. I don't know how you guys rate our police and really in terms of like when they go pound to pound, how far are they for you guys?
Abayalingana.
Because sometimes it goes to fact. Our police is versatile. In fact, and so like you like. Get that guy on the right wing. In fact, he'll produce. Give him number 10. He'll produce. Give him left wing. He'll produce. And it's not a player that is shy of taking responsibility. Wantola kireding ezwa. Makalibamba ntangu yangithola bona ukuthi team ayinaplan yangithola. Unokutshela idefend ukuthi woza wena ngizokuthatha. Yangithola. And ayithatha yangithola into enjani. So mfethu, those two guys mfethu, for me mfethu like they are mfethu.
Same level.
You know, I think really mhlambe it's like they are pound to pound.
Same
But
level.
you know why, ne? Our policy has some qualities that really doesn't have.
Henry.
I'll mention ukuthi our policy in terms of like taking things on his shoulders and saying, okay, now I'm gonna create something. Tight spaces, yangithola ukuthi
kunalebhola kashayile
angele,
first
yangithola
half,
into
shoot.
enjani. Yes, yangithola.
Yeah.
And he has the IQ of police, but this IQ is not as the same
as
level
real.
as real.
Sure,
I'm told in danger because our police sometimes will see a pass, you thinking our police will do that pass, but at the routine, ngena mhlawumbe azama ukudlala i-1-2 yangithola in danger.
Yeah.
But really IQ
On top, but taking on players njengapolice
yes, but tight spaces yangithola, if you give him a ball in a tight space,
Sure.
he can be easily sometimes shoved off the ball yangithola, but police sense of low sense of gravity is there. You can't just shove him yangithola into enjani. Uzongena sometimes ashelele mara still a protect.
His goal.
Sure, yangithola into
Check that goal
enjani.
down.
Beautiful. Yangithola. That's the advertisement that our police.
Sure.
And
they check-
then let's show
and so-
really nice.
And if you check their numbers, yangithola lawo wakhuluma ngawo ngithi mina numbers don't matter.
Yeah.
Our police is on 6 assists and 8 goals.
Sure.
It is on 10 goals and 6 assists. These
Yeah.
guys bala. Bayalingana
Sure.
ukuthi like obvious Cocomelon it's on another level ngithola, but nayo apolice ndanga is
Yeah, I don't
something
even
else.
think like it's a matter of Cocomelon being on another level. I mean, I when I see these guys in
Yeah,
Fana,
yeah,
I think bavaya kanje.
Kulo mncane lo mdala. Yeah.
I think mhlambe urele where he might edge our police cause of the IQ. IQ is very, very, very important.
Yeah.
Very Perry, yangithola.
Sure.
Sometimes release that pass, Puli, yangithola. Really will release, yangithola into nje. Noma ngakubhekanga, apolisi unyeka kugaya ibhola ngakubhekanga. Ngorele uzokugaya noma ngakubhekanga, yangithola into nje. So I think yesterday mfethu Apoli was on tune.
Yeah.
Really, I don't think it was best of games for him, yangithola. He lost some of the balls, yangithola. I don't think, cause being frustrated, being frustrated, ngorele mfana before ayenza before uvalile na yangithola. Yeah, even those chances that you mentioned, yangithola into nje. They bury those chances, yangithola into nje. But of course, you can't bury everything, yangithola. And as you said, intanga uvalile, yangithola into nje. Always valas, yangithola. So his penalty as well, I don't think
a good one for
yes, for me as well, yangithola. Just aturele mfethu naye uthanda ukwenza Ghost. Really
To perfect.
Beautiful goal to fail.
Next bafethu.
Yeah.
Ikuye.
Yes, ikuye. That's what I'm saying.
That's how it's like.
But mfethu Ghost mfethu sometimes mfethu. Sometimes ndona like put that fanciness aside.
It's
Put
like
power
that.
behind the ball
It's
and
like
smash
that.
that ball once or
Yeah.
Like that. It's like that.
It's like that.
It's like
And
that.
it's working for us.
Sharp.
I understand that it's working for us. So the game itself, Fontanga, as I said, in fact, we started a bit slow, but the game my vele sibuyile vele game, you understand?
Sure.
And I think our coach said it, he should have scored maybe 7 goals. That guy, I asked his 2 post-match interviews, and he said the same thing. You should have scored 7 goals. You should have scored 7 goals. I'm thinking, this guy could show no after dressing room. That was our 4th goal that you missed, and you should have scored. 5th goal, 6th goal, 7th goal. And so we could see there were some opportunities that he really felt our players needed to take those opportunities.
Sure.
And so on. Those equaling to 7 goals and so on. I don't know, Coach, how you think about it in comparison really no Puli.
Yeah, I hear you, Donna.
Yeah.
For me, I think their differences are gonna be there one solar because they can't really be the same player.
Yeah.
Or what. But equally talented for me, Fetu, and ability-wise, you can't doubt any of them. One solar. I think you can put them at the same world-class level. In Fetu, I think they are there. Yeah. Just that, as you're saying, Rapolis will have his strengths and Relay will have his strengths. So until where you will say he maybe edges the other one.
Sure.
But in Fetu, you can't take away anything from either.
Same
Fetu.
level.
Same level for me.
Yeah.
World class, yeah.
And sometimes in Futu, it's sometimes for 2 players like Raylan and Puli, sometimes it can be maybe a room too small for 2 big players. And so like it.
Sure.
But with that relationship, in fact, like those guys, in fact, you can see even off the field, maybe sometimes really go visits Puli or Puli visits really.
Sure.
I think that's the type of relationship they have. And a Puli being the older, I'm not saying Lena is a senior player, but Umtala go real. I think he has that thing of, let me put my head, my hand. So sometimes you even see a penalty, you understand? A policy would easily say, I'm fit. Let me take this one, really. But the team is giving it. So we're saying, really shy, you understand? Really shy. So I really like their relationship. So, Coast Ndwana introduction and for writing for Hoto. And cash for Mbata.
But, yeah. I think Fetu Ndaba played very well. I think a lot of some of Paganias were doubting him, Abamona on the first 11.
Yeah.
I think now was one of those who were like, If let Ndaba play, yeah, you will do the job, you know.
I know when I feel Utu is not your favorite player.
No, it's not a matter of favoritism. What? Yeah.
No, but I'm just putting out there. I know Utu is not your favorite. You have your. I know. I realize now he has a soft spot for Pole. Whenever Polela holds the ball, Polela, you know, and that's cool. That's what we want to hear, you know. Let's support our player. That's what
The Podela sitsile uThiyaka.
No.
Awuthathe maqala isizini eyibhodlela wake wasihlaba laphuka ibhodlela elake ayikhosinaka imeka likwantela ibhodlela.
But now you can't get between Ghost and Podela now. Podela now. That's nice. That's what you want to see. Exactly.
Ushilo keeper mfethu wathi fire bedimxheka udayile ubhodlela yabona ukhulumela phezulu manje wayesenimpraise anikhulumela phansi ubhodlela uyadlala mara makadlala ka blind ibhodlela uyabo let's same way must be sikhala ngakhona let's be same way simpraise sithi ibhodlela uyibambile mfethu uyangithona.
Yeah. Even though you think this game he just did fine, maybe still in praise.
But I think like Ndanga ukhulile Ndanga. From lapho uyakhona Ghost.
Sure.
Like ukhulile and nathi asathuki like ukuthi ubhodlela ungenile uzosenzela izinto zakhe. I think uGhost that's why I'm praise kangaka because like who improvile mfethu improvile from lapho.
No, definitely. And I don't have anything.
Sharp, I know.
And yabona Taka mina allow him ukuthi I criticize ubhodlela ngingathi it's not favoritism akamthandi yabo mina mangabe ngicriticize uHotso kayiwadi sokuthiwa it's not your favorite player.
Ndwana you know ndwana like ra stadium go fela ndwana you know irasiba orunganya manganya you know Mr. Mlambo ndwana kile Ndwana I don't really have those favorite when I'm saying I can't criticize this guy. Ndwana let's be honest Ndwana like Ndwana me pure soul ufithu if now ngibona ngathi uzidlalela into yakho mfethu I'll call you out ndwana if no ngibona ngathi ngizona into njani
and then mina who am I not calling out I call them out.
Awuthi maka umuphi isikhulu noma adlale kahle.
Ngiyangithola.
Ngimupha Ntanga bengimupha bengamuphi la ngimkaya ama9.
Maka obvious now uyabona ukuthi like it's a given.
Perfect. Ghost Ndwana you know deep you know tolerate because it's our player. So, it's not your favorite. Okay, you not tolerate. It's not your favorite player. Let's just put it like that.
I don't. Maybe not really in a favorite.
Sharp.
What I was just saying, preference-wise, I would play Ndaba over Hoto. That was my thing. And you guys now took it.
No, yazi uyithatha ngokuthi if uHotso ngashaya amakhosa ay9 uyasuma upload itsasha e1 uthi kiyo Hoto
ayikho ready
ilaza kukuza ukuthi makakosi kayi1
ayikho ready but mfethu Ndabu ungenile udlala eGrand mfethu he really filled the position.
Sure.
Fitted like a glove mfethu dlale mnandi kakhulu boy. Same no cash mfethu Hotman mfethu black ball Kehleni number 8. Did you see that 10?
Yes.
Tomtana. Ophuma ndoda. Mfethu cash mfethu beautiful performance. And I think another name Tachela mfethu it's a combination I've been worried about, but I think yesterday it was not bad at all. Until I think they played okay mfethu. They played well. And kudos to the Hotman mfethu marshalling that midfield, making sure that we are playing.
Yeah. would you go with that midfield like on a big game, or do you think it was just a rotation just to give some of the players some minutes?
Yeah, it's not the maybe what I would for as a first 11. Or until if we have Mbata available, I need Mbata in that midfield. Wabo. And then yeah, for this game, I don't know if Mbata maybe was injured or it was suspension. I'm not sure, but yeah, we saw it was not. He was not on the bench. He was not. Yeah, in the first 18. You wanted to say something?
Yeah, no, it's not a suspension. He said all the players. Now I read that report. In fact, unless if maybe there was something that happened during training, and they decided to let's not take risks because we have a big one on Sunday or on Saturday, So then, as I said, in fact, ndaba mfethu anthola ndaba mfethu let's give ndaba mfethu
Simpheni.
yo
Yeah.
like udlalile
Yo,
like udlalile
ndaba
like
wasiphi,
ndaba showed up
wasiphi,
mfethu anthola everything that he did mfethu anthola defensive and offensive
Sure.
because sometimes mfethu we praise Otto anthola
Yeah.
but also ucheba bhaya like we praise Otto offensive anthola defensive sometimes
Walo.
wanthola walofa
Uhlala
wabona
nekhafu.
yes, and it's good that he has
Calf.
Muremi now
Sure.
because Muremi is quick and so
Sure.
can be able to recover and so. But in that one fit is he knows what he at the end
Primary
of the
job.
day and so the primary job for me is to defend and
Sure.
so I think if it balances with Swear and so like it's Swear he must just keep it that way and so
Yeah.
Cash as well in faith and so Cash showed up and so
Yeah.
you could see you Masindi wasn't really for me then I wasn't really in the game and so
Sure.
but Cash you could see you he's trying or when he's trying that go midfielding and so but I'm not saying everything came off or whatever but he was trying to do some things and so another player that I want us to touch on it's Msendami
Yeah. But maybe before you move, Mfana, Masindi Ntwana, I think he wasn't bad, was he?
yeah, no, I'm not
Actually, I
saying
think-
it was bad.
Oh,
Dog.
okay.
I was just saying, sometimes in fact, when you lose a thing, a quality of Mbata in the middle of the park, one time,
Yeah, yeah.
and then sometimes you expect a player to be in and around the similar level where
Sure.
he demands the ball. One so like
Sure,
sometimes he goes then demands it at 10. I share one. One so like it, I think it's one fit. So I don't think
Yeah.
he is that type of player. He was trying his simple passes, but now from number 6/number 8, I don't.
But
Uyazi mina
I
Ntwana,
think
you know,
it's-
before maybe ungena la Ntwana ne. Yabo Ntwana, you are right, Dane. I agree with you. I think in Namfetu, I would have wanted the coach to pair Masindi with Mbuli, one thought, or Makaula with Mbuli, one thought. Like that combination, I think would have worked better than Cash and Masindi.
Cash and
Yes.
Masindi,
But taking nothing away from Masindi, I think he had a decent game.
Yes,
Yeah.
one thought, yes. That's why now I'm saying, cause in fact, I want to coach you sometimes what too safe, one thought,
Yeah.
too safe in a sense or mustn't do defensive,
Sure,
careful
Cash,
defensive,
yeah,
one
yeah,
thought.
yeah.
The lesser the chances the opposition, one
Yeah.
thought.
I think close to ibekile. And I think mina uJohn Wick unayo lento le collective ball.
Sure.
Instruction yakawadu. That's why maybe bamthanda. Ngiyakutshela umbheke most of the time mfethu first game.
I wonder if there's
First
something I
game.
don't understand. Give what I
Mamela,
hear.
first game we watched Masindi. I think we were together. I think Mbombela zangadlali kakhulu. But first time nimbona wayenzani? Beka collect amabhola ashaya amaphasa ayenzeni. Then ucoach wethu I think wayamthanda kakhulu. uMasindi uyamamela. Masindi we defend now. Masindi is gonna defend and Masindi before angithi waye squadini. Then wabuya there was this thing ama-player bathi umntana kawadu like ama-fans izinto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
Then I think mengathi lose the form. I think since he came back it's trying to make it simple for him to regain his form. I think once he regains it angabuya ndanga.
Now for me, I don't think Masindi is technically gifted like talent than Mbata. like
Obviously.
MasterChef, like- so if you give him that responsibility to be always on the ball, it is likely going to make mistakes because it doesn't have that control and so that long range pass, that IQ, Those two guys, in fact, when they play, they demand, even when they don't say give it to me, but their presence.
Sure.
When I say Jimmy in Dangas, Chima so coast. I wanna Master Chef I late. Even though you see someone is coming from behind, you can be able to say, take Master Chef. You know with this guy, probably is going to make something, it's some magic.
Sure.
Equally so talent. If you see someone is coming from behind talent, utlaga pace. He can easily I'm shield the fella, I trap, I but someone like Nomtachela, you can't, let's be honest. It's likely going to panic end up ball. So from that sense, Masindi, I don't see him as someone who's going to demand that ball. Adalisi team, but I'm a short pass work. I think they can be beneficial for us, but not to expect him to be always on the ball, to be our engine,
But
I think it's growing.
No, to that point, Donane, I think if he can just mimic what Ace used to do.
Sharp. Cool.
Yeah.
Trap and pass.
I think it's growing.
Yeah.
Bheka labantu laba compare noMasindi. Check Sport. Sport udlale nabo Mkwena. From Dala, from Super Sport, dlale ku Sundowns, Skukhulu.
No, I'm not saying
Then check
wisdom, no.
Mbatha. Mbatha Ntanga mikadlala noYe. Mikadlala no Makhawula ku Highlands Park. You understand? I think uMasindi compared to Uspola no Mbatha. Like umfana. But I think now he's still growing. And you'll get to that level. And you are right by saying, Guti, for now you can't give him the ball because I'm told lapha khona.
Yeah.
Like he must be ngalithatha. But I think it's growing and unayo lento le. Uzofika la.
He can definitely improve, but there are some players, really hasn't played with abantu abakhuluma nabo. Apolisi hasn't played with Apolisi, there are some players who are technically gifted.
Yeah.
Even if he's 18 years old, goes to Antol.
Yeah.
But this boy, if it as young as he is, as I cope and all the ball being a 32-year-old, I have to give this ball.
Good point.
So some players like Masindi, okay, maybe for now it doesn't.
Sharp.
But as you say, if he really wants to put in extra hour to master it, it's not like he has a bad first touch. No. He's a good player. Can improve it, and he can master it.
Yeah.
But at this point in time, I don't think he has that.
Sure.
So another player that I wanted us to touch on, Mr. Mlambo, is Msendam, he came in. I can't remember who to, and I think Coach Duarte to kudos to him as well because it's managing him very well. Sure. He can see he tried to integrate him on the lineup. Didn't really work out. Now we're winning 3-0. He's trying again. Coaching a huge brand like Orlando Pirates, it's very difficult, Mr. Mlambo. So you have to be able to manage the squad as well. I asked PhD this question, say, Tito Masangwani, Pirates is playing well, take nothing away, but you have to keep that dressing room. That dressing room, you must keep it healthy, you must find a way to give Tito minutes, give Master Chef minutes, introduce about dancing, like because to getting the results now, it's well and fine. But some players, if they're unhappy and then something happens to really, now you depending on Tito must do something. That time his heart is not there anymore. He's saying, but this guy, like his team is winning 4-3, 4-0. I mean, for 2 hours, so that Msendami guy, I think coach is managing him well.
Yeah.
I don't know what you think about his performances and his career.
Not everything is his work.
Sure.
He's a good player. You remember I told you that.
Yeah.
He's a good player, You saw him go AFCON for Zimbabwe intwana yami encane
You know, he's
beyithi.
a good player.
He is. I'm telling you, he
Kumbulu
is.
Ghost is all.
He
You'll
is.
go to Ghost, yeah.
Ayenzani? Ayenzani?
I will get to finish your point.
Ngithi ku-AFCON mina
Yeah.
ngibukele nentwana yami encane ithi yo leta yile yadlala ngithi hayi Pirates 5 Sundowns uyangithola
Oh, yeah,
because
yeah,
I was before afika like kuBhakani and before afika kuBhakani uye meka score kubojwaneng uye meka sky stress asadlala kuGalants because vele meka he was playing for a small team izinto eziningi mesiphezulu kwamahlombe wakhe but now he's playing for iPirates mina sithele ngamanzi now understand if he didn't do this Relay can do this Radio Man can do this, things can do it. Angathathi yonke into ayibeke la because ufuna ukugijima, ufuna ukushaya, ufuna ukuyenzana akayenze simple. You see what Masindi is doing now? It's making things simple.
Simple, yeah.
And now we're starting to love Masindi. Nginokuza nase stadium, people bamshayela izandla from where he's coming from.
Sure.
Asithele ngamanzi ntanga. Izinto zizozenzakalela mfethu eventually he is a good player and there izinto like mawumnandi umnandi. You don't have to prove yourself. That's what I could say to him. Akayithathe kancane lento.
Yeah. Msendami fithi, Msendami. Ghost, Msendami.
Underwhelming ntwana.
Yeah.
Like Msendami ntwana. For me, I don't know. It's like bamkayile chance mfethu like bamkayi chance. He's just not like almost every decision is wrong mfethu like at the moment it's looking very very bleak for me mfethu. Yeah, like he's not promising, like he's not giving me that thing, you're right, okay, what? I'm giving up, like, alright.
Nkosi yavela.
Hayi Bombay.
Soma man.
Hayi Bombay.
Imbomba.
Hayi Bombay. Abashayile.
Angeke Nkosi.
Abashayile ngiyakutshela.
He is a good player cha.
Yabona le uKilpethu. Ekhumbula le yafika bayasnoka. Yabo lezi esibuye eAfrica. Bayasnoka kawa imbomba.
Fanele kidbet.
Never.
Bekunike khona mapanineti. Ikhumbula ka. But mina ntanga he is a good player. I'm telling you. I've watched that boy play ne. Mara now me don't understand. Ama level awasafana. Ipecha kayiqoka ayisafana.
Yeah.
Ashaya izinto kancane kancane. Zizoyenza.
Relax, ne?
Relax asithini.
Akasiyele ngamanzi. Because hey, nami mfana like I see where Ghost the car is coming from. Like we've been giving him Sendam, young toy.
Yeah.
And I wanna know sometimes like coach I'm introducer uphethe amehlisi young toy. I'm introducer futhi amehlisi. He's been consistently giving us like bad cameos in fact. It's not even average bad young toy in danger.
Sure.
And we've been saying like Msendami keep it simple young toy. Like you don't have to take every like there was a ball Mr. Mlambo we receive Msendami. You can see Msendami if it agana support young tola we won on the young tola he goes there fit I'm saying Msendami where are you going fit that's a wrong decision young tola
Sure.
they're like to relax and for to play a short ball young tola in danger I don't know if there's no one who talks to him to say Msendami young tola like you're young tola you're off fit keep things simple young tola in danger so I was frustrated yesterday. I was really frustrated.
Yeah.
Same as Ghost, but I didn't show Ghost the frustration because who goes to it if it is in like I'm here Sure. And I could understand where it's coming from. Now Msendami, it's time to relax, man. Don't rush things. Like Ipagania they win.
Sure.
You're not 1-0 down when you say Mr. Mlambo Sakfaga in the magic. Young told we put you in 3-0 up, young told be in and around that box. So it's all the chance where you have to shoot
Like
and
for
put it in.
example, Radio Man didn't get a lot of balls
Yeah.
in the game, but he waited for the right time for
Yeah.
him to yenze izinto right.
Yeah.
You remember last time agcina ungena.
Yeah.
Mabhakani amanye mewangaboni eye to eye naye.
Yeah.
But yesterday he waited for the right moment for him to do those things. I think Msendami if he can apply that thing good. I sometimes mali zathi ngitrapping it pass.
Yeah.
Ngitrapping it pass. The more he does that is the more you gain confidence good. Ama ngiyayazi lento man. lo ulahlile ngiyamthatha. So yena every time when he gets the ball want to take him on, want to take players on ashaye kunalela lishango left unnecessary.
Bona into ebuhlungu keng ne bosheng confethu they don't even get to make the 18.
That's the bad thing ngokuthi udlalela ibhakani.
One two.
People when you get in they expect you to play because we have our favorite players mfethu passa kanjani ungabhekanga ungadlali. You understand? So you must understand ukuthi now it's a big bench. I'd rather play average than try to be a hero ezogcina ba ku-0. Yeah.
And mentioning Radio Pani, but we'll touch on Radio Pani because maybe we've dwelled too much on this game and you need to talk about our noisy neighbors. But Radio Pani, if it is body language, I'm not impressed with body language at Radio Pani, man. I think he can give us extra 5% on our office energy, man. Radio Pani is, you know, and if to like in the being shy would see like Mbutuma played for like 60 minutes, and even on the 60th minute, you can see his press, which this guy is intentional. Radio Pani, I know Radio Pani has a ability and probably edges Mbutuma in terms of technical ability. But Mbutuma, he gives us life there. Radio Pani do the same. And you can see when he's Abu Ozzy, it's just him.
But I also think so. It's game time. You must also remember that. And Butuma has been playing. It's two different things. But like there is also match fitness in that. I think if we can get minutes, maybe I can figure out something.
Maybe we can give him a benefit of that. Although abanye abantu abakungenayo mfethu wagcina ekudala kundawo, you can see intensity is there emsendami, you want all intensity, you want all. I will touch on that and then moving on, mfethu, you know we have a big one on Sunday, you want all. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs.
We are home.
Yeah, we are home. Big one. And so last time we played, in fact, we destroyed them. And so like put them aside. We put them on their place. I'm told in danger. PhD said it won't be an easy game. And so like, you shouldn't expect what we saw earlier on this year. It's going to be a very challenging encounter. And so and I agree with him because at their own form, let's be honest. Although I predicted 4, but I don't think it's going to be a 4-0 game.
Encounter.
Yeah. So I don't know how you guys think about the game that is coming, Mr. Mlam.
I'm excited.
I don't know, Donna, like. You seem like you are worried.
No, not really worried. No, worried is the extreme. No, yeah. I'm not worried. But I'm just saying, they're
on form.
And I go square on some point, sorry.
Yeah.
Look at Kaizer Chiefs. No, I didn't really checking Chiefs that much to say Chiefs down form.
Those 5 games, they lost 2 points.
Yeah.
Last 5 games they lost 2 points. I think they won 4, then they drew yesterday.
I think they won 5 on a bounce.
No, they drew.
Yeah, they won 5.
Then
they drew. Yeah. So
last 5 games, they won 4. They drew 1.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday they drew.
No, I think before yesterday, Chiefs
were
on a 5-win winning streak.
Yeah.
And then last 6 they drew.
Yes.
So they won 5, they drew 1. Yes.
So Mr. Mlambo is saying, if you look at the last 5, then it means they drew 1 and they win 4.
I will check it like that. Don't just check it with the last 5 games.
You're right. You're correct.
Okay, you're correct in saying that.
But yeah,
just that going to stadium. Because I understand.
Sure.
No, because we did interviews before
Chiefs,
he came here.
And I also think that I'm excited, Ghost. It's only easy.
And then can I go and pee of it?
What's happening?
And I'm excited in the game the Chiefs because these guys have been playing so well. And what I wanna see, and I think like we have to get like I'm point to Ranzima because after all the Soweto derby, you know what's gonna happen if Chiefs gives us a good game. obviously izobashaya. Sundowns ifika izobathola baqinile. That's what we want. We want these guys. Singababoleka nama player. We want these guys to beat Sundowns for us.
Yeah.
You understand? And like when it's a Soweto derby, we do not sakhumbula last time esiborekile. Sibashayile ini. Nabo bayaze bayavuma.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukuthi bathi henibonile sibe ngathi sishaya ipali ini. Sifuna ukubadla kanjalo, you understand? And we want to see Soweto derby mnandi. I'm happy for them ukuthi bayazama ukuba grand, but I'm not happy ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi bangasithola. Bayadlala, you understand? But it's gonna be a difficult game, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Ghost.
If it's no, I don't think it's gonna be a difficult game. If it's
Yeah.
I saw them their throw yesterday. Yeah, you can see that 5 wins in a bounce was a fluke.
Well, Ghost, you were the one saying if the Chiefs has improved. Did you see Chiefs?
Nikipe cheats, you can tip it away.
This guy mapakani the Chiefs.
I'm shy.
It's Nekosi la no studio kanti.
Kupetwe itala. Badala ni makesi.
I don't know, Mapagani. And I thought he didn't say this to me once. Thought he kept on saying, did you see Chiefs? Chiefs. What thought I get?
Ngifake labantu badlala nemakesi Mr. Mlam.
Yeah.
Petwe ibanika ama 2.19. Ngiyeke ndoda. Imali yamala leyo ndoda. Mfethu free man. So manje kumele ngikhuthaze inja yami ukuthi enhla kuyalibona ikhosi lezani.
Kunayo bheja. Awuzobheja lidlile. Yalazi inkosi.
Yeah. That means I won't take Ghost serious. Whenever he comes to me and says, hey, there's this team, you must check it out.
But
I know your emotions is Petway driven. Your view is Petway driven. No, but I was convinced, Mr. Mlam. I thought if it took Ghost to one all. Maybe saw 2 or 3 games and see if these guys are coming. One all like it again.
Akubabone ku flash score.
So now when he comes out and says, Chiefs is swag.
But I saw them yesterday. If it, they can't do nothing to us. If it. I mean, now we are Orlando Pirates. If it. They can't touch us.
They won't touch us.
Yeah.
Karile police.
It's gonna be a difficult game.
Never.
Yeah,
compared to the one la Pesibuya.
I'll be honest though. You know, going to say who goes. Goes to the I couldn't don't sleep on this guy. I want to so I'm like shoot I goes. But although you can discredit on all already. They've won 5. If it's winning 5 games on a bounce, if it's what all, not a child's play.
In the PSM.
In the PSM, it's not a child's play.
They got 15 points. That's the lies all. They got 16 points in 6 games.
So like we can check at this point in time how many teams have managed to do that. You'll find that is maybe it's Pirates and Sundowns and Chiefs. So although I haven't watched them much,
same.
But let's give them credit to they've done well on that run.
Yeah.
But me, although I'm saying it's going to be a tight game, by the end of the day, if I don't see Chiefs. Like, let's be honest, like if to a game, especially FNP, FNP is a huge field, Mr. Mlam.
Sure.
That's where your shining lights, likes of our police, Abu Murim, that's where they shine. That game that we threw earlier, Richards Bay. It's those small grounds where there's no room for error. Back playing, they water the pitch, they know it's slippery. They have all the. But FNP, they are my riding. Yeah, tag arts. That made us talent. The field is big. Everyone is space. Really, maybe on that small pitch, what trap up always gonna have 2 players on but FNP you can't put 2 players on that means when I leave 103 that's where
Wide open.
our police really Muremi are going to shine.
How I wish Tito could be there.
Tito
You see, Tito wants those kind of games.
Yeah.
That's Patrick Maswangani.
Yeah.
That's Patrick Maswangani. His mentality and the heart for the game is something else. Give him those kind of games. You'll see who Tito is.
Yeah.
Muntu actually Paneka against Kaizer Chiefs, 90 plus.
Sure.
There is no player in South Africa I've seen with my eyes. Maybe there is, or but minangala wametla muitu, agekho umuntu ngake ngambona shaya ipaneka in 90 minutes kudabi. That's Tito. Please ke mangabe ngeke umqalisa umfake nge55 ke.
Yeah.
That's what I ask.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's why I'm saying even that game Sundowns the Richards Bay. But as Sundowns they are similar to us. They need a huge ground where talent will prevail. In small grounds, talent alone won't work. You have experience, you have the they know how to because even the atmosphere, hostile atmosphere, you make mistakes down fit, it's chai, so I think that game is going to be tricky for me, the Sundowns. But for us and for the Chiefs, I think we're going to beat them.
We are.
Our coach must just go back to basics. In fact, don't try because what's our coach sometimes not what spontaneous. You want all of it. Don't bring dancing. Don't please, coach. Please don't bring dancing. Ghost. Let's protect the legs of dancing. Wasn't
we're not saying
give it us and that banger. Yo, fana.
And we're not saying Dancing is not a good player. People misquote us. We're saying protect him. Because if something bad happens, we'll say, hey, Dancing this,
and Mr. Mlambo, something that our coaches and the technical team need to be cognizant of is that maybe 15 years ago, when these players, when they're going through these things, they'd go through these things alone with their families and all.
Newspaper.
Newspaper you can read, you can buy, it's up to you. If you want to buy, you can buy. If you don't want to. But now, they go direct to you, Mr. Mlambo, on Twitter, they call you names. Instagram, they call you names. Facebook, they call you names.
That's not nice.
Let's shut that thing, protect our players, that's all we ask for. Go back to basics, we need Mbata there. We need the DNO to back on that lineup.
Cash Tito.
Cash. Maybe cash for Nopta Chela and Bad. That's
Komota from Butsuma. I'm always for that. When you're going to play big games.
Yeah, but too much just score.
Take nothing away. These are my context on this one. Ghost. These are big games. And you don't buy experience. Yes, you gain it partial. You understand? Faneke bakuzwisele into bakeep. Bakuzwisele into bakeep. Check Skomota record when he plays against Chiefs. Brutal. You can say whatever, guy. But umbheka against Chiefs, he's gonna be the headline. Why? Because angazi umwana sesubadleleni labaya. So if that works, now as a coach in Tanga, you must check what's okay. This player, okay, angimding ne. Ma against these ones, you cover the thing no gisho ukuthi it's based on the games. Lo yadingakala lo. These are the games.
Yeah.
You saw this player record previous ukuthi benjani. Why? Sponsor course is simple. It's hard to say if I say just go back to basics, your plan. But my thing is Skomota must be in the first 11 for me when we're playing against Chiefs. And see him when he starts. If he's not working, put on Butsuma. And it's gonna give you energy. Rather than vice versa, you put on Butsuma, then Skomota later. I prefer Skomota than if I say Butsuma.
I hear you, and I think I take your point as well. Skomota he has experience. You can't take nothing. You can't take that away from him.
Sure.
So if it's there, I won't say I'll be angry to say Mbutuma this and Mbutuma that. Intention. that experience in Dang is going to be very crucial. Because so it's diving fit is not a game. That's a high
And they don't have
intensity
experience, those ones.
atmosphere.
And they don't have experience
Oh,
in their
Kaizer
current
Chiefs.
squad.
Yeah. So I won't be angry if I see Skomota and so. But if I see Mbata on the bench, I'll be very furious. I'm totally in danger. Ghost.
Yeah, and I'm fair to, for me, I'm fair to anyone, Skomota or Mbutsuma, we should be able to beat Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, but Damedlile fair to definitely Mbata must come back. We need Mbata back. Between Mtajela and Cash, I'm happy with either, but just pay him with Mbata.
Cash any day, anytime.
Cash, ne?
Cash.
Yeah.
On that one.
Yeah.
On that one, Dang, I need experience. Yes, we can play Wamai. This is Chiefs against Pirates. We need experience campaign.
Yeah.
That's why we destroyed them that time. You must check our first 11. It was experience. But so they balen. Namanje, if you come with experience, they know these things, these people. Nomtajela knows the taste. But asimzwise kancane. Maybe after 3 seasons or after 2 seasons, we can say we can start with him. But for now, Cash must command this place.
I agree with you, Mr. Mlam. I think Cash must command the space in that. I don't know if you guys heard our coach. They asked him about Sipo Chain. I said, the coach, Sipo Chain seems to hold the ball too much and the fans get frustrated. He didn't hear that one. Our coach, he dodged the question, saying, no, sometimes there's no space, you have to hold on the ball. But sometimes in the space, he plays fast and what, Yeah, I think I was just happy to hear that question, or at least these journalists, they listen to us. So at least they represent us somewhere, somehow, Yeah, they're improving. And so on. And then I think we can move on to our log, unless if there's something that I'm missing, Ghost. That you want us to touch on?
Nah, we can shoot straight to our dog. So currently Mapagania, he needs them down. Mara, which way did I do? Last year.
Esiqale unumber last mfethu manje
Nepagania qale unumber last.
awungayitheli qhubeka my dog
Mr. Mlam. Okay, sicale ngayo unumber last Mapagania. Sahlele unumber last Mr. Mlambo bafethu currently on 29 points. No, 27 points, and then who goes
28 is good.
28.
Yeah, I get gained one guy there.
La game lela le Golden Arrows.
Okay, 28. Then who goes to 30?
Yeah.
Then who fire 32?
Sharp.
Yeah.
Abekho kude labantu mapakanile. Bafana neArsenal.
My last.
Askiza mapakanile sengizisa abantu ubuhlungu. Sengizisa abantu ubuhlungu.
So I'm doing my predictions first. I get number one. 2-0 into Orlando Pirates.
Chief. It's a 5-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Yay!
This guy.
Go!
It's a 5-0 to Orlando Pirates, Chief.
2-1 to Orlando Pirates.
2-1. Yeah.
2-1.
Mr. Mlam, 2-1 yeah.
We up no one.
Well, no. Now when I face the people,
Inaba bayakora labantu. No, two kore 2 ngithi Richards Bay. And these people are on form. I must give them.
On Mr. Mlambo makangezange stadium.
Wena ngithi 5 minutes.
Come on. Ungasho nje ukuthi 2-0 uhambe no fire ke.
Nah, 2-1. That's 1.
2-1.
Yeah.
Engizondlaga babacitha ukushaya i2 ngo10 minutes.
Ayinesize score. Ayinezazikani sepakani. Ezikora fast.
Yeah.
Ubona uthathe first half izo kanti ku 3.
2-3. Yeah.
No, that's End of the show, Mapagania.
Seyiphelile vele.
Unless you have something on your agenda that you want to throw in there.
It was nice kakhulu. That's why
Oh, it was too nice, ne?
Yeah, it was too
I
nice.
enjoyed it as well. Yeah.
It was too nice.
And now, how are you guys enjoying the Amstel?
Hey, yeah, too nice. I'm still liar. Shout out to I'm still liar. Our official sponsor.
It's a bit.
Yeah.
Our official sponsor, not on PFTV, but Pirate. But I never misquote us and then Camstel is on board.
Now they'll come.
They must come. They must come. They must come.
They're on the way. They're on the way.
It makes sense this way. It makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching the show, Mapagania. Please, again, Mapagania, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help us grow. Mr. Mlambo.
Angiyazi Mapagania, angiyazi mina isikhumbulile kakhulu. We had ama renovations or what in the studio nyana. That's why I mean ngasiboni. We just like to apologize on that. It's not like uthi must draw. Asikho ukuvela, you understand?
Important, Mr.
Yeah,
Mlambo.
we
Thanks
just
for
want
raising that.
to update you on that. We're still having an ongoing process in the studio, so we couldn't shoot, but sesibuyile bafethu, we're giving you content. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We beg you to fire bafethu.
Thank you, Mapagania. Begilu Mr. Mlambo. Sunday, FNP Stadium. Sigcwaleni Mapagania, sifikeni ngesikhathi. Sibulalele khosi leli labo Lamthuthu labo Ice Boy labo be Sundowns.
Zebra laba.
Labo Zebra laba. Bupha Pagania, bupha.